In this video, I'll be showing you how to make explosions in Scratch to like spice up your game. That would look good. So let's just start. First we're gonna go name it like explosion. You don't have to, just you can add it on your own game. But like I'm gonna name mine explosion. And then I'm gonna just delete all the costumes. Bye-bye, Scratch Cat. Sad. But sadly, we don't need this Scratch Cat for the tutorial. I'll just make it a good color. It's you don't have to do the color I'm choosing. It's your choice. And now, after we're done making it, we can do make a block. We're gonna make it named Boom Size. And then we're gonna add an input. And then, size. But we're not going to press the one without screen first, not. And then for the define boom size, we're going to do clear graphic effect. So. And now, we're going to, set size. You can do whatever you want, but I'm just going to be choosing, 20. Now for the 20, and after adding the 20, we're going to do a repeat block. And then we're going to add a repeat 15 times. 15. Now after that, we're going to do change size by. And then after the change size by, we're going to add a dividing thing. A slash. And then the second part of it, we're going to add 9. And now after the 9, we're just going to add another one minus size. But they're different variables. One is the custom block, one is the normal size. And then we can change the ghost effect by 2 and then hide. But it's really not working when you press the define block. I'll tell you why that's not working. Because we're going to have to use the block. We're going to use a custom block because we didn't use that block, so it didn't work. We're going to do boom size 170. That works. That works so perfectly. We can even add a go-to block, and then it can go to your player or something. Whatever you want to, or even a place you want it to explode. Yeah, that can be cool. So look, when I press space, it just explodes. It explodes. And if I change the size, bigger and bigger, it actually explodes bigger. And if I can do it smaller, I can do bigger. I could do a lot of sizes. I can even change the color. I can make it gradient. I can make it any color. I can even make it a solid color. It still works good. You can even add your own stuff to the explosion. For example, rocks coming out of it. That's good. Works. We can even make it bigger. We're just for fun. So this is going to be the end of this tutorial. So I'll see you next time.